This is weird, bro. This is literally the real gorilla tag, and we're doing this. Oh no, we gotta run. We gotta run. The taggers. Oh hell no. Oh my god, the rocket! The guys, look, the rocket! Wait, if we jump down, we go onto the glass. Oh hell no. No!
Has to be.
Ah!
Get out!
Ah!
Get out!
What the hell is that sound?
Oh no. Alright, don't go near. By the way, guys, do not go near tutorial. They will push you off.
Oh,
Wait, guys, I have an idea. Watch.
what? No way. No way. Oh my god, I almost fell. Yeah, tag me real quick. I want to have a boost. Oh my god, you can go under here, but don't go under. You can go under.
Yeah, just don't go under.
Just don't. Oh. No.
Get out!
No. I'm not going down. I am not going down.
Come on, jump on.
Get out!
Oh, you.
Where? Come here, bro. Hey, look. If you go down here, bro, look. It's just the galaxy, bro. Oh my god, look!
What the hell? Oh my god!
This
no
is
way!
weird,
Yeah.
I can see them! I can see them!
Oh, never mind.
Can you see me, bro?
Goldmask.
Oh my god, I almost fell.
Goldmask, where are you?
Hey, bro, do you see my hand through the map?
No, I don't.
No!
Aw.
Goldmask. I need you.
Wait, let me look under here, bro. Let me. Oh, hell no. What's that? Hey, don't go near tutorial. Don't go near. Don't go near tutorial.
Dude, guys.
Oh.
What?
Oh.
No!
I'm Rock Monkey.
Yo, I have an idea on how I can get up.
Oh my god, I have a better boost. Look.
Look, I know that you need to calm down. I'm sorry, you need to calm
Aww.
down. We can get up there though. We can get up there again. So,
Are you sure?
yeah. Definitely.
Wait.